Yeah. But so I've got a 360 camera, and I've got this, and I've got the drone as well.
Okay. Yeah.
This was so much fun, by the way. So we were basically, this is from the 360 camera. We were on these dunes for half an hour, 45 minutes. It was so much fun, just air the tires down, 4x4 mode, and just, they made it a lot of fun. And the guy said the more fun you are having, then the faster he will go, which is good, right? So, yeah, everyone getting air and sliding around on top of the dunes. It was such a total blast. And the sand was so fine, incredibly fine sand. And we did see a few dirt bikers, and they were hauling ass over the sand, just like not sinking into it. But as you can see, it was just, I don't know, just a lot of fun. I did learn a few things, though. So you stay on top of the dunes at the crest. You never go down them sideways or vertically if you can help it. Obviously, you never cut throttle. And you never go down in one of those holes next to the dunes, because then you'll bottom out and be stuck down there. So we stay on top of the dunes and, maintain 30, 40 miles an hour to not sink down into them. But yeah, this was so much fun. I wish they could have let us get out and let us drive ourselves, and they also obviously knew the route to take too. So yeah, super fun. Highly recommended. That's not going to work out here. A lot of people here. Tons of people. That's how you do it right there. Get the sand bath. It's a she.
Of course we did. Now go ahead and get in.
Finally. When you went away,
You came right back. Came right back up.
it didn't like it at all.
This is the front cover of the magazine. Bob kissing a camel.
Oh!
How long have you had it?
1 year.
And no issues yet?
No, there's nothing.
Well, that's good.
side, sir, okay? Lean back. Wow. Five, please, huh? 1, 2, 3, ready. Lean back. Yes, sit down.
Woo! That was fun.
Lean back. Ready, mama.
Ready, 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 ready. Tradition, dobro. Tradition, left, left, open up. Tradition, tradition.
It's where there's all of our light. Let's go take a tour of the camp here. I left my group because I wanted to get the camel before it got dark. So very touristy, but they take us out to this place, little oasis camp. There's sand surfing over there in the dune. See the sand surfing? Camel riding, gifts. Ooh, earlier there's some skewers going. We have a bar with whiskey. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Looks really good. There's our group over here. There'll be some dancing later. There's a sitar.
Can I give me? You can put the hand.
Okay. Thank you.
May I take the
Wow.
hand?
Sure. It's a video right now, but video's good.
Yes, very nice.
Wow.
This isn't Better Off Alone. Why is this not Better Off Alone?
Stars need to come to our place. You can touch them in our place.
Really?
Yes, really.
Yeah, that